Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef patties for burgers. First, let's talk about selecting the perfect ground beef. You'll want to choose a blend with an 80% lean to 20% fat ratio. This ensures a juicy and flavorful patty. Opt for freshly ground beef if possible, as it truly makes a difference in taste and texture. Remember to handle the meat gently to prevent it from becoming tough. Now, let's move on to seasoning and shaping your patties. Season your ground beef generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any other spices you enjoy. Gently form the meat into patties that are approximately 3/4 of an inch thick. A clever trick is to create a small indentation in the center of each patty. This helps them cook evenly and prevents them from bulging in the middle. Next, we'll perfect your burgers cook. Place your patties on a hot grill or in a cast iron skillet. For a delicious medium rare, cook them for about 3 to 5 minutes per side. It's crucial to resist the urge to press down on the patties while they cook, as this will squeeze out all those wonderful, flavorful juices. For well done, ensure the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, let's talk about resting and assembling your masterpiece. Once cooked, allow your burger patties to rest for about 5 minutes. This crucial step lets the juices redistribute, ensuring a more tender and flavorful bite. Lightly toast your burger buns for a pleasant texture and to prevent them from getting soggy. Then, assemble your burger with your favorite fresh toppings and condiments for a truly delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.